Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we're dealing with this moving head here. LED beam and spot and zoom. So this particular unit, as you can see, it's sound activated at the moment. I have it on sound activation. But the problem is we're not getting any LED at all. I'm gonna play some music real quick. Let's see. So as you can see, no light. It's moving, it's doing everything, but we ain't getting no light. So we don't know if the issue is the LED bulb or whatever, or something loose on the inside, but we're gonna take it apart and see if we can fix it. Okay, I wanted to show you guys also another issue is I switched this, I actually did a reset. I did a full reset. So if you do a full reset, this thing becomes Chinese or whatever language that is. And so thank God I made a video, so I was able to look at my previous video and find out which option to go into. But in case you're stuck on this Chinese language, all you have to do is go to number 4. So you're gonna hit OK, go to settings, OK. Number 4, the first one right there. That's a language switch. So you're gonna hit it OK. There we go. See that? Advanced language switch. That's what switches your language. So anytime you have an issue, just go back over there and then you'll be able to. But what I did was here, I went to load factory. So the reason I did factory is because I wanted to make sure that it's on default setting, and also I could be able to control it without, you know, having any weird settings. So right now we're gonna switch it from DMX to, yeah, it's a pain. So you gotta hit OK and then you gotta go down, random, auto. Let's see what auto does. Okay, so for me, I don't really want auto. I want to go to sound. Yes. So sound is what we want. Now we're gonna look at the bulb issue and try to fix it. Right now we're gonna take it apart. And we're getting closer to our LED, which is right in there. Let's see. Alright, let's plug in. We're going to do a test while it's open. Okay. Let's watch that test. And we have it in sound mode. So we're going to wait for that reset to complete. Flashlight ready. Everything seems to be plugged properly. But I believe this is the area where the LED is, right down there. So I'm not sure if you can see it. But down there's the LED. We're going to power it down and trying to find that LED. We want to make sure that LED is good. So we see the LED, which is right there. Those are the cables for the LED. But it runs through the inside. So we're going to go through removing this arm here just to follow it. That looks good. Yeah, everything looks good. Let's do another test. Next, I'm going to test the LED all by itself. I'm going to have to pull it out. and apply some power to it. Maybe I could do it from here. And let's go through the menu and see if there's any option for the lamp. So setting, run mode, color wheel on. Okay, don't see any issue. Let's go to test. Test. Okay, there's a test for color here. Let's see. We're gonna hit it. See what that does. That's supposed to give a different color. I don't think that's working. Let's put a gold on. Focus. We'll reset on this. We'll reset it again. But I think it's the LED. So yeah, we're gonna get our power to test this LED. Okay, right now we're gonna test this LED. So because I did a reset, it's not on motion, it's not on sound mode. So I should be able, with my meter, to see what the voltage on this LED is. Okay, 23. Yeah, looks like a 24 volts. So we got about 24 volts. So we're going to be applying 24 volts. But actually, I don't even have to apply. I know something is wrong with that LED because power is going to it and it's not turning on. So we have to take that LED out and get a new one. Okay, to get this LED out, we're going to have to remove these bottom 4 screws. And also going to have to cut this. So let's begin by cutting it. Let me get something better to cut. Okay, we're cutting the zip tie first. And any others, that's it. Okay. Then we're going to pull these 4 bottom screws. Yeah, they're all the same. But I'm going to keep these separate, just in case they're not. There we go. This is actually pretty easy to work on. Had some other ones that were a really pain in the butt. So I'm going to be very careful here and just unplug this. And now that exposes to our LED. Really don't know what happened to that thing. Did it get burned? But we need one of these replacements. So pull them out. It does get extra hot. The fact the LED died on this thing, and it's not that old, it's pretty bad. So that's the magnifying for the LED, and that's the LED right there. Let's just unplug it. I actually want to take it out. Let's see. Okay. You want to keep this like that. Put that sit just like that. And I want to make sure I take a picture of it, but I actually don't. Red is for positive and black is for negative, so you can just unplug it. There we go. Okay, this is what I need to order. I need to order one of these. Probably going to be hard to find, but we got to get one of these. So before we order a new LED, I wanted to put 24 volts on this just to see what we get, you know what I mean? Just being curious. So let's see. Oh, look at that. So as you can see, it's not bright. It's not bright at all. Like, that is a dying LED, totally dead. Otherwise, we would have got, it would have been really bright, and it's not. I mean, that's it. So yeah, we need a new one. So Alibaba, this is where I found what I need. This is the exact one that I need, but shipping is gonna suck. Also, I'm reading down here, you see 1,000 hours lifespan. That means that's how long this thing's guaranteed to work. So you're gonna be replacing this often. I'm going to order about 5 of these just to have them in stock. Check it out, just got this off of Amazon. I was actually gonna order a bunch from China, but we're looking at like a whole month, right, to wait. So instead I got this one off of Amazon. We're gonna test it and see if it works. I mean, looks a little bit different, but we think it should work. So let's go ahead and install this, and then we'll see if we are lucky. If not, we're gonna return it. So let's put some light. It's connected. All right, let's see what we get. See if it's gonna blow up or not. Okay, it's on. Let's face it this way so we can see the display. The display is resetting right now. Okay, so far, nothing. No color. No light. Oh yeah, we got light. Look at it. Yes, we got some light. Yes. Yep, guys, you can see the light. Oh yes. So yeah, whew, very bright. Oh yeah. So let me show you guys what I'm seeing. So yeah, it freaking works. We're gonna be, hold on, need to be in some darkness in order to see this properly. But yeah, this works. I don't know if it's supposed to be stronger than it is, but I'm gonna compare it with another one, and if the quality is perfect, we're gonna order some more. And if you have one of these and you have the same problem, it's most likely the light, and you probably could order the same one from Amazon. But like I said, if this quality is not the best, if it needs to be brighter than what we have right now, I will order a different one. But for now, this will do until the original ones are in China. Alibaba, I saw some, but they take weeks to get to the US, right? So this here is our temporary solution. Just got 5 of these that I order from China, Alibaba. So we're gonna go ahead and open this unit again and install these. Matter of fact, they're a little heavier. They're not the exact same information. The seller told me that it was, the last digit was different. The one that I had an F, this one has an I. I don't know what exactly the difference is, but he said it would work, right? So that's what I'm really concerned about. As long as it works, that's what we're going for. So we're gonna go ahead and install them right now. Okay, as you can see, light has been installed, and now I have to put the remaining pieces. That is also done. Now we just put it back in place, just like that, and add the remaining screws. Okay, that is all set. Everything looks good, clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it. And this is where I'm gonna switch it to DMX. From DMX, I'm gonna switch it to just sound mode. So we could do sound mode. Okay, it should go on. There we go, resetting. Once it's fully tested and it's working, then I'll put the covers back on. But for now, I just want to make sure these lights work. I hope I don't have to return them back, because they were not easy to find. Not easy to find at all. Okay, so DMX, we're going to go ahead and switch it. So let's go. Reset. Let's go up. DMX. We're going to put a sound. Not getting no color at all. No color at all. Nope, no color. So, not sure what's going on, but... Oh, now I got color. That took a while to get color. Yeah, so the unit could be having issues itself, because it should be doing color all the time, and it's not. So we're gonna take a look at the whole thing. Guys, I'm looking at all this. I don't really see anything wrong. I've taken this whole thing apart. Only weirdness I see is right there, there's a chip missing. But that could be normal, or it fell off, right? I have not seen anything hanging around the unit, but I'm gonna inspect the whole unit again. It's very weird that it's behaving this way. I'm gonna continue inspecting. I'm also gonna grab another one and do a comparison, but I cannot figure out why the light is behaving that way, even after we put a new bulb. I also taken this board apart, inspected everything under there. They all look good. So we're gonna put this back. Actually taking one of these apart, just wanted to show you the wiring. This is how the wiring is supposed to be. I'm also testing this cable here. This is the cable that runs all the way up to the light bulb. So you can see the light bulb right there. That's the cable that runs up there. Next, I'm going to test this smaller cable here, make sure all of that is good as well. On the back of this board, we have this little cable. Guess what? That runs to that one. And I've tested both and they're fine as well. So we're gonna plug that back to normal. Okay, so here's what I'm doing right now. I'm fooling around with these wires. Look at that. Every time I touch it, the light goes on. Look at that. Look at that. See that? So that means we have a loose connection somewhere. And now I need to get to the bottom of it to see exactly which one is the problem. Okay, so I'm coming to the conclusion that the problem is this cable here. You can see this here. Look, just every time I pull on it. So yeah, I need to replace that. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out and see if we can replace it. I have it in my hands. I really don't see where it's got an issue. When I test this wire, it seems fine, but somehow it's acting up. So I want to figure it out before I replace it. Inspecting, yes, believe it or not, right here. Look at that. Yep. So right there, that's where it broke. So I'm not gonna replace the whole wire. I'm just gonna cut it and fix it. Check it out. It was literally hanging by a thread. Yep. So yeah, it was bad. I'm also gonna check the other one, but I believe this was the main issue. So we're gonna go ahead and solder that baby and make it nice and clean. Here we go, nice and soldered. Now I'm gonna put a black tape on top of that to protect it. So guys, also checking the red one. Look at that. It even looks like it's rusted. My God, like I really have no idea how those became like that on that area, but I'm gonna have to replace these. I don't have anything similar. I gotta search, but this here is bad, and it's gonna continue to get worse. So yeah, we definitely need new ones. Okay, I got some other colors, which are very close. Not kidding, just kidding. I got blue and brown, and we're gonna replace these with these. Okay, got one head done. I soldered it so it could say extra hard. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, I've completed the other side. Now I just gotta fix this little black cover. But be careful, look, I got hurt. So doing this not easy, but I soldered it as well, so this is gonna be strong. Okay, all completed. I actually put a little red mark on this blue cable since that's gonna be red. The other one is gonna be acting as black. So yes, all completed, looking really good. I'm very proud of this work, except this boo-boo. Okay, let's go put this in place and test. Okay, just wanna show you so far what I have done. I have everything connected and make sure that it's nice and clean. Wire tie, everything running through here, all the way down, right in the middle, coming down, and right there. I'm still gonna add another wire tie right over here just to keep things together. But so right in here, it's where it's connected. So right there, boom, there we go. So it looks good. We're gonna run the test right after I do another wire tie right here. Let's get ready for that test. Go, there we go. Warming up. Let's see if we fixed the problem. I currently have DMX sent to sound. So as soon as it's ready, I'm gonna be banging on the table. Let's see, it's almost there. We really hope that's the issue because that would drive me insane. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes, that is the issue. That was the issue. And now we're fixed. Look at that constant light. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, one issue, not getting color. I'm getting everything other than color. So let me try to change color here. Yeah, I'm not getting color via DMX. Okay. We need to figure this out. So I've changed the setting for run mode to sound. As soon as I go to sound, I get beautiful color. Look at that, really beautiful. Once again, very beautiful color. But I can't get it in DMX, which means it's my fault with the DMX programming. But the unit itself is working great, guys. So my main issue was that cable that was busted, and also I had a bust that light. The light was totally busted. I tested that by itself and it didn't work. When I put the new light, it would work, but then it would go off because of the cable was all damaged. And these things are always spinning, so sometimes these cables could get damaged. But I ran new cable and this thing is good to go, man. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and repair tips. And make sure you send me some cash too. No, I'm just kidding. Just being funny. Thank you.